That's beautiful. So this is the new puff. This is all screen print puff, right? Okay.
Multi-dimensional puff. You will have one puff color and one flat color to choose from. We do a quick pre-press to remove wrinkles and moisture. 3 seconds is all you need. Face down.
This is, guys.
Okay. 350 degrees, that's going to activate the puffing components inside the ink itself. All of this is screen printed with plastisol inks. 7 seconds, hot peel. Watch it puff up.
That is beautiful.
There you go. Here we go. And boom.
And that's great because it's two-dimensional. Is this all screen print as well?
All of it's screen printed. So the puff ink and the flat ink, all screen printed together. All you do is place it face down and apply. 7 seconds, hot peel. Can't get easier than that.
Now on a press like a Hotronics, what would the pressure be on that?
Pressure should be firm, so I would say 60 psi is what you're going for, 8 or 9. Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's going to allow that gritty. You can't see it on camera, but there is adhesive on here. It's nice and gritty. What you're doing with that heat and pressure is you're melting this adhesive so that pushing it down into the fibers of the garment. Give it a day or two, it recrystallizes and gives you that longevity.
Yeah, because I think with puff, it's the hardest, sometimes the hardest thing that people have with it. The accuracy of that is phenomenal.
Yeah, it is spread throughout. So those little, the way they explained it to me is there's these little capsules inside the ink that actually get activated during the heating process, expand with the gas, but they're all over. They're dispersed throughout the ink so that you're able to get that consistency and that height.
I notice a lot of times you'll get that wrinkling. What causes that wrinkling?
So a lot of times that's actually pressure, not enough pressure. So if the ink doesn't have anything to grip onto, it's gonna puff up like it tries to puff up and then wrinkle out. So as long as you've got that firm pressure, 60 psi, 8 to 9 settings, you're gonna get it onto the fibers of the garment and puff up.
Because everybody's like, no, you need light pressure. I'm like,
no. So it's trying, so basically it's trying to rise up. If you don't have anything to tether it down to the ground, it's gonna give you that inconsistent press. So you wanna do that firm pressure to give that even, you know, that nice even rise, okay?
So I'm thinking there's probably more of a benefit with the screen print versus the vinyl puff, right?
Besides the fact that you don't have to weed my screen print.
Exactly.
I saw that no weed, tired of weeding.
There's no weeding. Exactly. So the speed with which you can do it, then you've got that 7-second dwell time, super low, hot peel, and that consistency because it's all throughout the ink.
There you go, guys. 613 Originals. Go ahead and get your puff transfers. This is the hottest transfer you can get right now. The super consistency of that is amazing. So check them out.